Well, progress has been pretty slow on this thing, but finally got some paint on it this afternoon. So I guess since last video, I kind of patched this fender together. It was so rough, but I just made a kind of a metal patch for the back and then just kind of faked out the rest and sort of made it presentable. It should really be, if you were going for Pebble Beach, you'd want to replace this fender, but I guess for the whole kind of patina look that we're going for, it should be just fine. I used black primer like the factory did on the fender, and then red primer on the rockers and cab corners. So once the paint dries for about a week, I'll kind of go back and wet sand it and polish it and kind of maybe burn it through in a couple spots so it kind of has that original-ish sort of look. Decided I'm going to be kind of polishing the whole truck, so I did just a test piece on this cowl here so you can kind of get an idea of how that's going to look. And yeah, pretty well same story on the other side. Nothing too groundbreaking there. This fender wasn't as bad as the other side, but again, probably cheaper and easier to replace it if you're going for like full show quality. But for, I guess, what I was doing, you know, I just kind of patched it up and it looks fine for what it is. The side actually ended up being pretty well as rusty on the inners and everything as the other side. I thought it was going to be better, but as usual, that wasn't the case. So yeah, progress has been kind of slow, but I guess next I'm going to be trying to kind of straighten this fender out a bit. I don't plan on doing any painting on this fender, so I guess whatever we can get it to without destroying paint is what it will be. And seeing the paint's still pretty fresh on this, I decided tonight I kind of clean up this tailgate a bit and see what I can do with it. So yeah, and this tailgate should really be replaced if you were doing like a full restoration, but all I'm going to do is there's a pretty hard dent here and a hard dent through the R here, so we'll try to straighten that out. The tailgate's got a kind of a bow to it, which at that point there's really not much you can do with these things, so I'm just gonna ignore that and just kind of try and make the rest of it look a little more presentable. And once we straighten it out, we'll probably kind of polish it up and see how it looks. Alright, well, I'm not going to waste any more time on this. Just kind of heat it up a bit and popped out, dent down there, and sketched it out a little better around that letter. There's not a huge crease going through it anymore. Again, this tailgate just absolutely beat to hell, but it always looks better when there's not like any huge dents or whatever going through one of the letters. So next I'll get this thing all cleaned up and try polishing it, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, well, I could easily waste an entire day on this tailgate, but I'm not going to, because at the end of the day it's still a junk old tailgate. But for a couple hours work, it's definitely looking much more presentable than it was. I just hit it with some compound and kind of roughly touched up a few of the nicks, and yeah, I think that'll that'll be just fine for this truck. So next, I've got a dent on this fender that I'd like to kind of pop out, as well as tackle a fender on the other side. And this one should come out fairly well, but the other side's going to be a bit of a challenge. So yeah, that'll be up next.